So what do we got, Tommy? A patching job?
Yeah, I've got a couple of holes in this piece of baseboard that I need to patch from the old radiator pipe, and we're going to reposition this outlet, so I want to patch that hole also.
So I guess patch is one option, but why not just replace the whole thing? We're only looking at about 8 feet or so of run.
Yeah, it looks like a short run of baseboard, but believe it or not, it's actually quicker and easier for me to patch these holes than to remove this baseboard. It's mitered in the corner, it goes behind the floor, and it could damage some of the plaster taking it out.
All I need to hear. Patch it is. All right, so what's the plan?
It's harder for me to cut a patch to fit this hole than it is to cut a hole to fit a patch.
You know, interesting. So each one of these patches is unique. So you'd be talking about custom fitting each one.
Right.
Or just unify the opening.
I'm going to make the same hole for each patch.
All right.
And to do that, I've actually made a template. All I'm going to do right now is I'm going to place it over the hole and screw it right to the wall so it doesn't move.
Okay. Run the router through this and you'll be left with an opening exactly
that
like
size.
that.
Yep. I've set the depth of my router bit, the thickness of the template, plus the thickness of the patch, because I don't want to go all the way through the baseboard. I want to create a shelf for the patch to sit on.
Perfect.
All right, now there's one more thing that I have to do. If you notice, the corners on the hole are round and the corners on our patch are square. So I could actually round them over and guess at the radius, or I can square the corners off using my chisel. I'm going to square them off. All right, let's have some glue. Put it in the back of the piece. Okay, now see if it fits.
If it fits. Come on, Tommy. Whoa. That is tight.
There you go. All
so
right.
no need to put a nail or a screw in there.
No, that glue is going to hold it. Now all I'm going to do is sand it flat.
Wow, look at that, Tommy. I love cutting a hole to fit the patch. You get some paint on that, you'll never see it.
You never see it. It's pretty easy, too.
Beautiful. 2 more to go.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.